And I hope you let me in, yeah. I'm grateful.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the standard. So today I have two boxes to show you, and let's get into the video. So this is a Bluetooth remote controller and a V-Arrow box. The box, V-Arrow box.
I'm stable, oh yeah, no label, oh yeah, you know me,
Let's go into the unboxing. So the box is quite light and very compact, and inside we have the VR box of virtual reality glasses. The VR box is just the brand name, and we have the product manual, which is details in the front and details in the back, and we have a softening pad. So maybe if you don't want your phone to scratch inside the box, or you are scared if your phone will scratch, you stick this to it. So let's get to the second box. How do I open this? Okay, it's quite easy actually. So we have the controller. It's Bluetooth, so it's wireless, and wow, this looks very abnormal. Like, I haven't used anything like this before. I'm more used to the padding type, but this looks quite cool. So that's all. Okay, it also has a product manual in the box, which is apparently is in Chinese. So
welcome to Learning Chinese 学中文 Today
Sultan, you are a liar.
and that there is in two parts. The front is Chinese, the back is English. So which shows us how to get this started. So I'm going to get batteries for this, and I will show you how to pair this up with your device. Gotten batteries. It uses AA pure batteries, so I just looked for any from my remote and fixed this and used it for this. So I'm not sure I'm using this for a long while, but currently the power button is on the controller, which I don't really think that's a fantastic idea, because when I pair this up with this, I'm really going to be making a lot of mistakes pressing the power button instead of the normal control buttons. So but anyhow, the power button is here. It has 6 buttons with a joystick and 2 shoulder buttons, which I think stands for L and R. So the power button, the alt button, A, B, C, D. And that's all. So I powered it on. It's flashing that blue light. So you connect it to your phone via Bluetooth, and you just search for it, and the name is V-Arrow Pack. I don't know why. Why V-Arrow Pack? Anyway, so once it's connected, you will see this is not, like I said earlier, this is not so comfortable. I'm so not used to this. So when it is connected, you will see a mouse on your screen, and I've connected joystick, and apparently the joystick serves as a mouse when connected or when paired to your phone, and it's not that comfortable to use, or should I say it's not easy to use at all, but it's manageable and it can open your apps. The A button stands for OK and the B button goes back. So the C button increases the volume of the phone and the D button reduces it. So now the Alt button apparently is useless for now. So the shoulder buttons does nothing as well. I think those are for gaming. So I'm going to pair this up with some games, and that will be coming much later in the channel. So as for the VR box, the virtual reality headset, at the first glance this looks quite light compared to other virtual reality headsets I've seen. So this is, I like the strap, it's quite soft and it has soft paddings for your face and your eyes. So it has two shutters which I think serves as zoom or to direct the position of the lenses, because moving them makes the lenses move actually. So God, I have a big head. So wow, inside looks somehow funny. Maybe I've not adjusted this to my eyes yet, but it actually looks funny inside. How do I look? Sorry, my mind. How do I look? So it looks funny, and so it has the compartment to slot in your smartphone. Is, like I said, is a Google Cardboard. It's a VR headset. It doesn't need any form of wireless connection like Bluetooth or Wi-Fi. You connect your smart device to it, so you just, in case, just remove this compartment here, and so you can see this has a slider, so to fit all sizes of smartphone here. I think the limit is 6 inches. Yes, should be 6 inches according to this. You can't really fit a tablet or a tablet in here. So I'm going to connect to my phone to this. It doesn't need any form of connection. Just keep your phone and set your phone to VR mode and you'll see. So from the product manual, it has a 3-step guide, which I can see there's an app and a barcode for you to get the app. So if you have a barcode scanner already on your device, you can just use that. But if you don't and you're using an Android, you can just use Google Lens. And for iPhone, you can use Siri to enable you scan the barcode. So if you use Google Lens with your internet connection on, you will see a link on the barcode. If you click on it, it will take you to a website which I believe is the link to get the app. So I'm going to wait while this loads. So the original text is in Chinese, but with the help of Google Translate, you can get it in English. So the app, it shows you another link, the hyperlink. So you click on it, and I believe, yes, it takes you to Google Play Store, the app, which I already downloaded. So the app name is VRO, and it works for apparently other VRO headsets like Oculus Go, Rift, HTC, VV Sports, or Gear. When you open the app, you'll see a lot of 360 videos, VRO contents, and it will take you to a new world of VRO which you haven't experienced yet. But if you don't have internet connection while setting this up, that's okay. There are still some hidden VRO contents on your mobile phone, which I will show you in a bit. So without internet connection, and you bought this and you just want to test it, you just want to use it a bit, you can go to YouTube if you have any videos downloaded, and you can just click on the options button above. So the video I'm going to be using now is the Champions. I really love that show. The Champions, the BR football, the Champions. So you see from the options button above, you see watch in VR, and it's going to take you to this. Your screen will transform to this. So in case the content you are viewing or the content you are currently working on needs feedback from the outside, like so you can, so while positioning your phone in case your camera should be facing this place. So this is the speakers, and beside this are 3 holes for, I guess, airflow and earpiece and a charging outlet. So in case your phone you are currently working on is low while you are using this and you still need to keep on working, so you just plug in your earphone and charger. But I'm not really going to advise that, because imagine you put this in. Okay, why is this hard? You slot this in, okay, and you slotted in, and you plug this, and so apparently it works, but I won't advise it, because for safety reasons, let's just be safe. You can use your phone with a pouch on. I'm going to use this. I'm going to give a more quality feedback on this much later. So I'm going to use this mostly, I guess, for videos, and I'm going to use this for gaming, because I need to know how someone's going to play games with this. Like, this is so uncomfortable. So if you like this video, please a thumbs up, and please subscribe to my channel for more videos, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.